back to another devlog. It's devlog 6, ladies and gentlemen. After the last devlog trying to fix my game in only 7 days, I thought I should take the next 2 weeks to polish the game and make it a game. So yeah, I made a list because lists are awesome. Now let's check Operation Polish. I even got the original book where I wrote the list. First agenda on the list, M3. Gusheshe. And the Gusheshe is actually, it's looking pretty good. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Obviously not replicating anything in the real world, of course. And I actually gave it more drift-like suspension so that you can have more fun with it. Aha, aha, aha. If you know that reference, you're a ball knower. Then I had to come up with names for like the companies and also the cars too. And I don't know, I think I was feeling creative. There's Rockwood Motors, and then I also had to name the car too. I named it the Golf. No relation at all. I don't even know what Golf means. Like, is it like I don't even know what that word means. Then next item, fine-tune fuel. I had to fix the suspension for the Golf. Golf. I had to fix the suspension, make sure the taxi is driving right, make sure the horizon is horizoning. Descriptions and stats. I actually tried to do my best with the descriptions. I was actually kind of struggling a little bit, but I hope they were kind of creative. I mean, they were kind of creative, but I hope that y'all can appreciate the creativeness of the descriptions. Then color scheme. Yeah, I actually wanted to do a whole color scheme. So I guess since I made a blue picture for the background, I guess we're going with blue and also kind of like white. Yeah, that will be mainly the color scheme, but that's subject to change. And also I really don't want to deal with like color scheme things. I'm not a very artsy person. So yeah, blue. Then main menu background. For the background for the main menu, as soon as you open the game, my vision was to have like a clip or like a video playing of the taxi actually doing laps around the circuit. And I actually have the video, it's edited. I even got some music going from one of my friends. He's a producer, Justino720. He's actually really good with like piano beats, deep house music. So I was like, yeah, let me use one of those. But I'm having trouble trying to figure out how to get the video to work in the game engine. I need to find a program that can convert MP4 files into OGV files, because that's the only type of files the game engine will take. Logos. Actually, I think I did pretty well on the logos. I mean, look at them, they're so good. The Vision logo might be cutting it a little bit close, you know what I'm saying, considering the company, if you just, mad, yeah. Actually, like, my favorite logo is probably the Saturn logo. Like, it just looks so, it's like, yeah, this is an actual brand. Actually, wasn't there a car company called Saturn, and their logo was not similar? I mean, like, it will be similar because, they're kind of named after, like, a planet, and the planet is known for one thing, having a ring around, on its orbit and stuff. Science, yes. So the logos might be a bit similar, but they're not the same, and this ain't the same company. This is not Saturn, I would like to clarify that. The Rockwood Motors I actually like. The IMC logo, Infinite Motor Company. That was the first logo I ever made using Inkscape. It's kind of terrible. You can tell that it's the first thing I ever made learning a new program. Yeah, this one will have to go through a redesign at some point in the future. Back buttons. Designed those in Inkscape, and I actually had to make sure that they work, all of them, which, believe me, it takes a lot of time because you have to go through each and every menu and make sure that when you press back, it goes back to the correct menu, and then when you press back button on that menu, it goes to like the dealership, and then you can press back on the dealership to go back to the main menu. So yeah, it was a whole lot of that, and making sure that I don't, explode my head trying to figure out and don't mess anything up, which I didn't. Everything is in line, connected. It should be easier from now because I'll be adding cars one by one, so it'll probably be more easier. And then the last item on the Operation Polish mission list thing pause menu, look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm proud of myself. The pause menu actually, it's basic. Everything in this game is kind of basic, but you know what? I like it. It's minimalist and blue and white. I mean, there are colors on the South African flag, so I mean, blue and white. You know, I don't have to incorporate every color, but I think that would be an interesting concept. But that's a problem for future me. Thank you for watching this devlog. What do you know about IP ports? I'm wearing shorts. John Cena likes jorts. Very cool.